I love manual. I think every single new driver should learn manual. Hey, what's going on? It's your brother, your lover, the king, K Son Official, back with another quick review of this beautiful 2013 Honda Civic LX. Beautiful car, 1.8 liter, 4-cylinder, naturally aspirated motor. Very simple car, base model. I'm doing this review in the night. This is gonna be part one. It's quite noisy. We're having a big party next door, but it's okay. Who doesn't love to party? Let's get a quick look at this vehicle. Yes, the music is very loud, but it's okay. Everybody's having a good time, the weather is nice, and everyone's happy. Hey, what's up? If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like. Comment down below. It's free. Help me out. Let's get this channel going. Let's build this channel and grow together. Share this video with at least one friend and you'll do your service. K Son Official, sending my love. 2013 Honda Civic, absolutely solid. Very nice car. You know how I feel about older Hondas. I think they're absolutely amazing. This particular model is a 5-speed manual. You heard it correctly. You know how I love my manual transmissions. Let's get a look on the inside real quick. Absolutely spotless interior, very clean, very Honda fashion. Let's get inside. Very nice. Very clean, very spotless. Let's turn some lights on. Let me turn off my flash. You know what? Let's turn back on the flash. It's all good. Very spotless interior, 5-speed manual. You know how I love my manuals. I believe manual transmission is probably the best way to start for a new driver. Learn manual because automatic will be a piece of cake for you. So this vehicle, the features, it has everything in a vehicle. So let's start from left to right. So you got your power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have your traction control, vehicle stability control on or off. You have your econ button to save fuel. You have your beautiful two-tone gauges. So you have two levels. You have the RPMs and your speedometers right over there. Very nice. Radio and phone controls on the steering wheel. As you can see, menu button, cruise control on this side. Over here, you have your AM, FM, CD player with USB auxiliary. Very nice. Bluetooth as well, so you can Bluetooth stream your audio music and all the tracks will show up on this little screen right over there. Very nice. Heated seats, air conditioning, hot heat. Very nice. Simple setup, clean glove box, very straightforward. The beautiful 5-speed manual shifter right over here and your manual handbrake. Very nice. Also in here, lots of storage and your USB connection right over there. This also can slide to give you maximum comfort when you want to shift. Absolutely nice. Let's get a look at the back seats real quick. Back seats, very nice, very clean. Let's go inside. Hondas can be a little bit tight, but I'm about 6 foot. This is my seating position. My feet does not really hit the back of this seat and my head does not hit the roof liner. So that's not bad. Pretty comfortable in the back seat. Small little mat pocket right over here. And again, you have your controls for the window and your door locks on both sides. No vents in the back seat for the Honda Civics. I think that's always been a thing. They never had vents for the back. Let's take a look at the trunk and we can also check if the seats can fold down. I believe they could. We're gonna pop the trunk right over here. Very nice. As you can see right over here, it can hold lots of water, big jug of water, and then your single bottles. So just to give you an idea how much space you have. Very nice. And yes, you can fold down these seats. Absolutely brilliant. Tell you what, stick around. We got the driving shots coming. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share this video. I hope you guys enjoy the driving video. And remember, this is part 1. I'm doing this in the nighttime. So believe you me, I'm gonna make sure you get a beautiful, beautiful video in part 2. Peace, y'all. So we're driving this beautiful 2013 Honda Civic LX 5-speed manual. Let's talk about this. As you know, I am an avid manual transmission lover. I love manual. I think every single new driver should learn manual. Manual transmission should be the first choice of vehicle for all new drivers, because not only is it super cool to drive a manual, but also it's like speaking another language. Okay, you can communicate much better with the vehicle when you drive a manual. When you drive an automatic transmission, you're not really communicating with the vehicle because the computer and all the electronics is doing all the work. Whereas with the manual, you're actually sending a message to the transmission as to which gear you want to be in. This vehicle drives absolutely sweet. It's a base model Civic. It's very simple, 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and it gets the job done. I couldn't be any happier. Very quiet, very smooth, very nimble. Let's indicate, change the lanes. Good. But yeah, I'm having a good time, and I can't complain. I really can't. This is a nice car. Well done, Honda. I am a big Honda fan, but I love all cars. I love cars that run very well. And especially if you truly know me, you know, if a car runs really good, I will praise it. But if a car gives a lot of mechanical problems, I will definitely nitpick and tell you how much I don't like that car. I don't like cars that you have to always go to the mechanic shop. I don't like cars that have expensive parts, and I don't like vehicles that are just unnecessarily hard to repair. Like, it's just ridiculous. Like, you know, you have some cars where certain parts are so tucked in, sometimes underneath the engine, so you have to drop the motor in order to access a particular area that needs repairs. That's annoying. I like simple, straight to the point cars. You know, I've always been a huge fan of that. Why have such a complicated life with a vehicle? Why get a car that's gonna give you a headache over and over? Why not get a car that drives? You know, that drives very well. Look, we're going just over 110 kilometers an hour. Okay? Very nice. Very nice. 2013 Honda Civic LX. Very nice car. 5-speed manual. Excellent car. Very, very sharp. Very quiet. Doing over 100 kilometers on the highway. Going to indicate, switch lanes. This car is absolutely perfect. There is nothing wrong with this car. It is in excellent shape. You have all the features: power windows, power locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors, air conditioning, beautiful horn, volume control, voice command, radio controls and Bluetooth with the phone answering, cruise control, digital display, 2 displays, very nice, AM FM CD player, auxiliary, USB, AM FM, all of the good stuff. Nice dials, nice gauges. You also have the power port, heated seats, glove box, beautiful stitching right here. Very nice. Very nice car. Excellent car for any type of driver. New drivers, old drivers, young drivers, families, you name it. 5-speed manual. Absolutely smooth. 2013 Honda Civic. Excellent. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.